Hey everyone, the Fujifilm X-E5 is set to arrive on August 28, 2025, as the latest addition to Fujifilm's beloved X series lineup. At first glance, it immediately stands out for its timeless retro design, which takes heavy inspiration from classic 35mm film cameras while packing modern imaging technology inside. Offered in both silver and black finishes, the X-E5 feels like a camera built for photographers who appreciate both vintage charm and cutting-edge performance. Priced at $1,699, it positions itself as a premium APS-C mirrorless option for enthusiasts and semi-professionals looking for a balance of artistry and technical power. At the heart of the X-E5 is a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor, the same resolution tier seen in Fujifilm's higher-end models, ensuring outstanding detail and dynamic range. The sensor works seamlessly with Fujifilm's intelligent hybrid autofocus, which merges phase detection and contrast detection methods to deliver quick and precise focusing across a wide range of scenarios. This makes it equally capable of tracking fast-moving subjects as it is of achieving pin-sharp accuracy in low-light or controlled settings. Video creators will find plenty to appreciate as well. The X-E5 supports up to 6.2K resolution recording and offers 200 megabits per second all-intra or long GOP compression, catering to users who want flexibility in their post-production workflow. External microphones can be connected through the built-in 3.5mm mic input, which expands its potential for high-quality vlogging and filmmaking. Combined with Fujifilm's renowned color science and film simulation modes, video footage can take on a unique and cinematic look straight out of the camera, saving time in editing for those who prefer ready-to-share results. One of the strongest assets of this model is its stabilization system. The in-body image stabilization, IBIS, is rated for 7 stops of correction at the center and 6 at the edges, according to CIPA standards. This ensures handheld photography remains sharp even in dim environments and makes handheld video recording noticeably smoother. The artistic side of the camera is further enhanced by its well-curated film simulation modes. Fujifilm continues to lean into its heritage by offering filters that mimic beloved 35mm film stocks like Velvia, while also allowing photographers to create and store their own custom looks. These can be previewed in real time through the tilting 3.0-inch LCD display or the sharp 0.39-inch OLED electronic viewfinder, giving users flexibility in composing shots from various angles. In terms of handling, the X-E5 maintains a compact and lightweight build without sacrificing durability. Weighing 15.7 ounces, including the battery and SD card, and measuring just under 5 inches across, it strikes a nice balance between portability and a reassuringly solid feel in hand. Storage relies on SDXC cards, which support both still image capture in 16-bit RAW format and high bitrate video recording. Overall, the Fujifilm X-E5 is a compelling blend of retro aesthetics and modern imaging power. It is built for photographers and videographers who value creative control, rich detail, and the unique Fujifilm film look that sets the brand apart. With its high-resolution sensor, impressive autofocus system, strong stabilization, and versatile video options, it manages to satisfy both traditional still shooters and multimedia creators. For those drawn to its nostalgic design but unwilling to compromise on performance, the X-E5 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in Fujifilm's lineup. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.